Hello, and welcome to this tutorial video about how to work on mobile app. To log in, enter your email address and password. Then, click on Log In. You are directed to the Bookings menu to view upcoming arrivals, pending checkouts, and all bookings. The Upcoming Arrivals tab is set as the default, but you can navigate to view other tabs. Click on the calendar icon to view today's bookings. Click on the filter icon to view bookings with specific details. Click on the plus icon to create a booking or create a block date. In a booking, you can view check-in ready status. You can click on the link icon or copy it. Click to verify the guest's details. You can split or extend the booking and also change its status. If the booking is from a channel, you can view the booking by clicking on it. From the bottom menu, you can access the unified inbox to view messages and communicate via email, SMS, or API. You can also click on the plus icon to create a new conversation. From the bottom menu, you can access the booking calendar to view it based on each listing. Click on each listing to view its unit type calendar, the same for the unit. To view its details, click on the booking and do the actions at the bottom. On the top right, you can click on the plus icon to create a new booking or a blocked date. On the open drawer, you can select the property, unit type, unit, block type, dates. Finally, click on Save and Close. If you click on Notifications, you will be redirected to the Notifications list. You can click on the gear sign to turn on the toggles of the items you'd like to be notified of. You can click on the Change Language to select your desired one, and also you can raise a hand. Subscribe our channel to watch more tutorials and start growing your business.